Today I will show you how to paper piece this Gnome quilt block. You can download the pattern by following the link in the description box below. I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. Besides the basic fabric and cutting tools, I recommend a few additional items when making paper pieced blocks. You'll need a glue stick, a postcard for folding the paper pattern, and an add a quarter ruler, which helps when trimming the fabric. When you are paper piecing, just remember these 4 steps. Fold the paper, trim the fabric, add the next piece, then sew. And here is the finished block. But what should we do with him? Some ideas: add a ribbon to make a gift tag. Make several gnomes as holiday coasters. Or add a larger piece of fabric and some Velcro for a cup cozy, and then enjoy your warm beverage in style. For a more in-depth tutorial of foundation paper piecing, watch the video below as I sew the purple angles block. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you never miss an episode of my quilting adventures.